Ever feel like important information gets buried in a maze of websites? Let's face it, navigating bank websites can be like trying to find the exit in an IKEA. You know what you need, but good luck getting there in a straight line. Today's struggle? Tracking down Capital One's mailing address. Maybe you're old school and prefer the comfort of a paper check. Perhaps you need to send some critical documents. Whatever your reason, a physical address is sometimes unavoidable. But fear not, fellow adventurers, because we're about to embark on a quest to unveil the mailing address mystery. Now, before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. Capital One actually encourages using their online options for most communication and payments. It's faster, more secure, and let's be honest, way more convenient. But hey, there are times when snail mail is the only way to go. Alright, with that out of the way, buckle up. Here's the thing to remember about Capital One's mailing address, it depends on what you're sending. Scenario 1, you're a credit card warrior ready to conquer your bill. For credit card payments, Capital One offers a trusty payment processing center. Here's your trusty steed. Address, Capital One, attention, payment processing, P.O. Box 60511. Pro tip, write your Capital One credit card account number on that check. It'll make processing a breeze and ensure your valiant effort reaches the right destination. Scenario 2, gearing up for a car loan showdown. Conquered the open road but need to send in your auto loan payment? Don't worry, Capital One Auto Finance has a separate address waiting for you. Address, Capital One Auto Finance, P.O. Box 105474, Atlanta, Georgia, 30348, 5474. Double-check maneuver, double-check your latest statement for the most up-to-date address. It might be slightly different to ensure the fastest possible processing. Scenario 3, banking like a boss, checks, deposits, etc. So you're a master of checking accounts, savings accounts, and the whole banking game. Capital One Bank has a dedicated address for all your deposit-related needs. Address, Capital One Bank, attention, bank by mail, P.O. Box 85123, Richmond, Virginia, 23285. Remember, this is for standard mail only. If you're dealing with something more urgent, consider using their online banking options. Bonus round, collections? Life throws curveballs, and sometimes you end up in collections. If you need to contact Capital One regarding collections, here's the address. Address, Capital One, P.O. Box 30285, Salt Lake City, Utah, 84130, 0285. Heads up, while you have the mailing address, it might be faster to resolve collection issues by calling Capital One directly. The final takeaway. Conquering the mailing address maze of Capital One might seem daunting, but with a little guidance, you can navigate it like a pro. Remember, the specific address depends on what you're sending. For most situations, Capital One encourages using their online options. It's secure, convenient, and saves everyone time. But hey, if the trusty mail route is your preference, you now have the key to unlock the mystery. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy conquering.